Located in the Appalachian Mountains along the West Virginia border, Giles County is remote and people like it that way. But it's also close to Blacksburg, so groceries and other necessities are only a short drive away. In fact, Blacksburg and Virginia Tech have a palpable presence throughout Giles County. It's a 20-minute drive from Blacksburg to the county line, but Giles offers a slower, rural pace and stunning mountain views. ANDREA PULLIAM and her husband operate Rolling Hills Farm in Newport, near the southern end of the county. They raise cattle and cultivate hay, and she also nurtures horses as a sort of halfway stop between an animal hospital and a return to their owner's home.
Horses that just need a little bit more of some TLC that an owner might not be able to offer, but they don't exactly need to be at the hospital anymore. So they'll come here for a layup or recovery and rehab.
Mark Givens and his son raise cattle on 750 acres, on top of the 750 acres that they rent. That's plenty of room for their 200 head of beef cattle and their calves. His family has been farming in Giles County for a little more than a century, and he knows agriculture won't be the same when his son takes over.
I see it changing a whole lot. As Virginia Tech grows, there'll be less and less land to farm, and since the hay selling, there's probably going to be more hay to sell and hopefully more direct marketing of the meat, but I see it changing a whole lot.
Giles County has a total of 389 farms, spread out over 65,387 acres. The market value of all agricultural products is $9,675,000. This is cattle country. Livestock sales total $8,346,000 a year, with cattle and calves bringing in $8,101,000 of that. Crop production generates a total of $1,329,000, with hay leading the way at $915,000. Grains bring in $134,000, while fruit sales account for $114,000. Giles County may be known for its cattle production now, but horticulture is becoming more popular. Ron Holden sees more demand for his products in the years ahead.
Increasingly, people are appreciating local food and trying to source local food, so this business, so far as we're concerned, is a growing operation. And I think the future is bright for small farmers in Giles that wants to get into vegetable production.
Holden is experimenting with succulents and even a hydroponic strawberry garden in his local foods operation.
Our population base, I think, is starting to grow in Giles, and it's primarily by people moving into the county, sort of Giles becoming a bedroom community to Montgomery County and Virginia Tech. Blacksburg's pretty saturated, and anybody that wants a taste of country life has either got to head to Floyd or head to Giles.
Giles County residents also enjoy canoeing, rafting, and other water activities along the New River Water Trail, or checking out Mill Creek Falls. Agro-tourism is also an important part of the county's farm economy. Doe Creek Farm is on the National Register of Historic Places, and there's a livestock and a pick-your-own apple orchard, as well as a farm barn that's been converted to host weddings and other large gatherings. Owner Georgia Haverty hasn't stopped there.
We opened a restaurant in what used to be a sheep barn that we had, and that's called the Bad Apple. So we're working on increasing our trade in that area too. So that's just one more diversification that we've got on the property.
Jesse and Debbie Rings started planting grapes for their vineyard in 2006. He was born and raised in Giles County. The couple met at the University of Virginia and spent 20 years on the West Coast before moving back east. They now specialize in Pinot Noir and Riesling blends.
They are unusual in Virginia for a number of viticulture reasons that I won't go into, but the experts will tell you, don't grow those grapes in Virginia. Well, we do, and we're actually quite happy with the results that we're getting.
The couple has a Virginia farm winery and under state law can sell direct to the consumer. Even since coming back to Giles County in the last 15 years, they've seen new development coming to the area.
But we're seeing other types of agricultural come in. There are some vineyards in Southwest Virginia. There's more tourism. I see a big difference there.
Population pressures are bringing change, but the people of Giles County all enjoy the natural beauty and rich farmland of the Appalachian community, and they're determined to keep farming alive and active here. In Giles County, Virginia, I'm Burke Moeller reporting.